Here's an example of using the difference of squares formula to factor something. So let's say we want to factor the expression x squared minus 121 using this difference of squares formula. So we're going to have to identify what's a and what's b. So before we do that, let's remember that 121 is just 11 times 11, which is 11 squared. Okay? So x squared minus 121 is really x squared minus 11 squared. Okay, so that tells us that x is our a and 11 is our b. So if we go ahead and just use this formula, then what do we get? Well, the formula says the quantity a minus b times the quantity a plus b is what we should get. So a minus b is going to be x minus 11, because remember, x is our a and 11 is our b, and then a plus b is just x plus 11. Okay, and that's actually really all there is to it. So difference of squares is a little more simple than difference of cubes and sum of cubes, generally. Okay, that's not always the case, it really depends on what you have, but generally speaking, difference of squares is going to be a little bit simpler. So we see the formula in general is a little bit simpler here. So anyway, x squared minus 121, if we factor that with the difference of squares formula, we get x minus 11 times x plus 11.